Olivia, and also we're just recording. Today we are going to talk about.
Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Stearns Olivia.
Okay, that's our wonderful teacher. And today we're going to be talking about the summary of geography and the early settlement of India. So if you want to do chapter 13, practice essay question, it is how did geography affect the early settlement of India? Chapter 3.1 Introduction. In this unit, you will learn about the civilization of ancient India. First, in this chapter, you will explore the geography of the area, including its rivers, mountains, plains, and plateaus, deserts, and valleys. These physical features influenced where the ancient India civilization arose. Early towns began to appear in India about 2500 BCE. Over the next 2,000 years, a unique civilization developed in India. What are you doing? Okay. According to the ancient Indian story, a river god and the river goddess once lived in the snow-covered Himalayas, a mountain range extending through the northern India. One day, the two decided to race down the mountains and the plains below. The river goddess sped right down and won the race. But her joy soon turned to worry. Where was the river god? The river god had slowed down to admire the snow-capped mountains and the rich brown earth in the valleys. In time, he flowed down to meet his goddess. The two rivers became one, joined forever, of India's plains. The rivers made the land good for farming. In this chapter, you will learn about India's rivers and other physical features. We'll explore 8 key features and their effects on settlement of ancient India. Oh gosh, I said that all in one word. 13.2 Brahmaputra River. It's a really long word, as you can see. Pointing right to it. Point. The land of India is subcontinent of Asia. Looking at a map of Asia, you can see that India is attached to the continent. Many geographers call this part of Asia in the Indian subcontinent. This is a large triangular landmass that juts out in front of the southern part of Asia. Mountain ranges separate from much of Indian supercontinent from the rest of Asia. Our explanation of India begins with the Brahmaputra River. This river runs through the steep Himalayas, the mountains along the northern border of India. From there, the Brahmaputra rains around the snow-capped mountains and narrow canyons. The water is clear and cold as it rushes over the sharp rocks. The river becomes slower and deeper as it flows into its valley. Every summer, this part of the river adds water from the heavy monsoon. I'm sorry, I do not know. A monsoon is a strong blah 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 blah. It just explains it. Eventually, the Brahmaputra River joins the river and the Ganges on the plains. Land where the two rivers meet is fertile. The Deccan Plateau.
Wait.